Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the vampire filter on TikTok. Another name for it could be the color selector filter. I'm going to show you guys how to get that on TikTok. It's really simple and easy to do. So first things first, you guys want to go over to TikTok and open that up. Once you're on TikTok, you want to go to your Discover tab and then go up to the top search and just search for color selector. If you head over to videos, this will show you all the videos that have this filter on it, and you can just click through the videos here. You find one that has this yellow link on it. Once you find one that has this yellow link on it, as you see here, there's a couple that have the yellow link. So all you have to do is just find one that has the yellow link, click on that little yellow link, and then add it to your favorites. And then from there on out, you'll be able to create TikTok videos with this filter on it. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get this filter. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.